Alexander, what do you think? Maybe it's interesting to talk a little bit about our printQ features and our X3.
Absolutely. Because here at CloudLab, we define the standard in web to print since 11 years.
Exactly. We are in the business since 11 years.
Yes.
Our knowledge is even older, so we know printing perfectly, and we combine our full knowledge in our X3 printQ with a big variety of functionalities.
It's a professional web to print solution for everything.
For everyone. Exactly. So we have a mass personalization. We have the possibility of upload and print, and one of my favorites.
Absolute. I wanted to say it. Your absolute favorites, the InDesign
It's the InDesign workflow.
Yes.
Exactly. Because InDesign is a well-known tool in the printing industry. And we see here an example. We work directly in InDesign on a template. So you define your templates in InDesign, and then with just a couple of clicks, you get them into our powerful AI-supported online designer.
And it does not have to be a new one. It can be an existing template you already have. And that's the great thing, because you save time. Because let's make an example, Patrick. Let's say you have the brochure of a company and they want to ask.
Great example. Indeed.
They ask and say, hey, for my next brochure, I would like to move the logo a little bit to the left, to the right.
Maybe have a text change.
Something like this. You do not have to do it anymore for the customer.
And the customer doesn't have to contact you. So it saves you time as well as it saves time from the customer.
And you do not have to learn something new from it, because you just take the InDesign template you already have. With simple clicks, you convert it.
And that's the clue, right? You work in InDesign, as you always do. Your customers get the possibility to work in this powerful online designer. So there is no back and forth between you and the customer anymore. We reduce the unnecessary contact to a minimum, because the customer can easily work himself in the online designer.
And these small changes, they do not have to be done by you anymore. You optimize this process. You upload them in the online designer, and the customer can do it at any time.
And they have fun, right?
Yeah,
It doesn't feel like work they do here. They simply change their content. They even can change their design if you allow it, because you can also define rules. What is editable?
This is important.
How far is it editable?
Absolutely.
Yeah, so let's just shortly summarize the big advantages of the InDesign workflow.
Yes.
First of all, you work in a tool, you know, you create the templates in InDesign.
Or you edit them, because you have them already.
And just a few clicks and the template is online, available for your customers, where they can fast and easy adjust them on their needs.
And then that's it. You're ready. You have your InDesign templates imported, ready to use in our online design.
But we also have professional customers, right? Maybe someone wants to upload his own PDF into the system. That's where we get to the upload and print workflow we also include.
And here we just not only take the file and that's it. So we analyze it and we take the customer by the hand, analyze it, compare it against the configuration of it.
So let's just have a quick look here, Alexander. So we defined the configuration within seconds. Now we upload the PDF file and we analyze it. And we see, for example, A4 is selected, but a different format uploaded. We tell the customer, your customer knows they made a mistake, which they can easily correct, right?
Absolutely. So maybe it was just a misclick. So I go simply back into the configuration, change to a new format, select it, ready to go, or upload a new file.
This helps you to only get orders which are perfectly printable. Because there are no misconfiguration and no wrong PDF files as we check them up.
So this would be something normally you would do because the customer contact you.
Right.
No need anymore.
Right.
And we can even have a preview here so that we really visualize what he gets.
And this is always, sorry Alexander,
no, please.
But this is always the biggest point of sales we have.
Yes.
Because your customer can really go through the brochure, check every page, see it almost in real life.
So they can really take it. They can go through this one. They can check every page in detail. And if they figure out, hey, there's maybe something wrong, they can even edit it and change the number of pages, the order of pages, right? So it's with an easy tool with an easy drag and drop.
So you can simply rearrange the pages. If you realize the front is on the back is on the front, or just some mix-up in between. Drag and drop the page, and the clue here is we don't re-render in an image or something.
No.
We keep the PDF print ready. We generate a new print ready PDF in the right order, and we again can preview it if we like, right?
Exactly. So there is no need that they contact you to do this. They do it by themselves. They don't need an explanation of it.
Exactly. They don't need external tools, because we need to make this clear. Everything we see here happens online in the browser. So the only thing your client needs is an internet connection, and the browser and the device doesn't matter.
No.
If it's a laptop, a PC, desktop, Mac, if it's a smartphone,
doesn't matter.
iOS, call it whatever
you continue 5 minutes. I know this. So you see, the new created PDF can then be visualized again. I can check it in detail, but in the best case, of course, I'm happy, and the customer just orders.
Exactly. But let's get back into our online designer. Maybe.
Yes, absolutely. But before, let's talk a little bit about the pricing, because also this is an awesome feature, because we can define and help you automate the price calculation.
Exactly. We have an own price calculation built in based on business standards.
Absolutely.
So you always get the perfect price. And we even analyze the web-to-print market, right?
Exact. So we can even include the market prices for it, like average, maximum, and a minimum price.
So you get the price from the market into the system, and you can adjust it. Or now let's go back into the online designer.
Now we talk about...
As we also provide embellishment, like an embroidery, within our online designer.
We make it visible. Because also this can be hard to imagine. How does it look on my final product? How is it? And it's just a few clicks. So you see, in the editor, you upload the PNG file, you click on the embroidery, it gets vectorized. This is important.
And you directly see how perfect it will look. And the biggest point of sale here is the 3D preview. We even show the embroidery how it would look like when it's finally done.
So I can even take this, move it around, zoom in to detail check. So I will not get, let's imagine I'm the customer. I will not get this t-shirt, get it off of the package, and then say, I did not know that it looks like this.
Exactly. It's just a perfect visualization. So the biggest benefits for your customer here is they upload the pixel graphic, we vectorize it, we can use an embellishment like a gold foil, like a silver foil on print products, or the embroidery on a textile print,
which reduce the communication, the unnecessary communication with the customer and the complaints of the customer. Right?
And it makes it so simple for customers to experience the embellishment, to experience the product. And we don't stop here, right?
No, we don't stop here. So we make the creation, the personalization of templates.
Oh, let me just jump in here quickly, because we start immediately with our AI designer suite.
Yes.
I have an image and I just make one click to remove the background. So if I want to get rid of a background in a photo, I just click it and it's gone. And it's fully with a transparent background to use on my template.
And the same, have a look please on the quality. So the image quality of the logo is not perfect. So we analyze this, we give it as a feedback, and it's one click, and we enhance the density.
We increase the density of the pixels here. And we can even go a step further.
Yes.
If your customers like to, they can vectorize their pixel graphics. With even just one click, we get this view, and we can select, do we want to vectorize the full logo, or maybe just the border of it, right?
So the customer decides, which means we have a professional tool for everyone, for non-professional user, but also for professional user. Because if I would like to remove the background, I do not have to leave the software.
Exactly. Professionals and non-professionals use this editor the same way, because it's easy and nice to use.
Sorry, Patrick, but I can see it at any time in 3D. I can move it around. I can see the gloss on the material. I can check it really, really detailed.
So the perfect visualization, right?
Absolutely. So at any time, I know exactly this is what I order. This is what I will get.
So let's just summarize quickly our AI designer suite here. So we can enhance images easily with one click.
Absolutely.
We can vectorize them with one click. And we can remove backgrounds
with one click.
Also with just one click. So it makes it the perfect tool, not only for the layout, but also for editing and improving images, right?
Absolutely.
So that's the functionalities of our printQ solution.